Checking.
I'm gonna get you. One, two. I'm gonna get you. Oh gosh, you better run away. I see you. Where's Nathan? Nathan, I see you. Oh, you better run away.
Calm down. Calm down.
Clean up what Aunt Peggy said, but he's not gonna get this supply.
What did he say? What did Aunt Peggy say?
I'm gonna get the supply, but Nathan is not helping me clean up it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, is that so? What else did Aunt Peggy tell you?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, what does Daddy always say, Vincent?
Oh, you had to get that shit.
What else does Daddy say? What else does Daddy say? No, Joseph.
No.
What? Tell Uncle Mike what Daddy always says.
No.
No.
Thank you.
Nathan. Vincent. Joseph. Wait, you have a rock from Grandma's garden? No, you can't have that. Mom, you're going to have to control your grandson with the rock.
Keep him away from my rocks.
Joseph, no.
Every rock has